The time card authorization screen is the primary screen used to view employee worked hours and benefits for the payroll. This is also where you can make corrections to time cards as well as approve hours for payroll. To navigate to this screen, select Time and Attendance, Time Card Management, Time Card Authorization. First, the information will need to be populated on the screen by using the filters. For more information on tips and best practices when doing this, watch the video titled Time Card Authorization Filters. Once the information has been populated on the screen, all punches and benefits should be reviewed and corrected as necessary in order to be approved and imported into payroll. Near the right side of the screen, each day will have a checkbox under the Approved column. Every single day for every employee must be approved in order for the hours to come into payroll. Each day can be approved one at a time by marking the box for each day, or the checkbox at the top of the screen can be used to mark all days for all employees on the current screen. Once the days that you are approving for are selected, make sure to click the Save Approved button. Navigating away from this screen before selecting the Save Approved button will cause the hours to not be approved. There are a couple of things to keep in mind when doing this. The first is that if you have more than one page of employees, you'll need to make sure that you approve each page. You can see if you have multiple pages at the bottom of the screen. One excellent tool to use is the Approval Status filter. Set this to Not Approved. Then, when marking the checkboxes and selecting Save Approved, the system will automatically remove the days that have already been approved. This makes for a much more user-friendly and manageable process when approving hours on a daily basis. Another important note is that any days that have a missing punch will not have a checkbox to approve. This is because the system requires an even number of punches for each day in order to approve how many hours were worked. Once any missing punches have been added, the checkbox will appear. If the approval status filter above is set to Not Approve and the screen indicates that there are no hours to be displayed, this means that all hours for the pay period are approved and ready to be imported into payroll.